Hello everybody, Eric the Green back here, and hope everybody's having a good gardening season. Everything's growing great for you this year, and I wanted to do a quick update on the Climax blueberry plant, Rabbiteye Blueberry. And man, this thing is starting to get some ripe berries, and it's got a lot of new growth, like 3 feet of new growth on it this year. And anyway, the berries on it are like twice as big as they were last year. And the berries are they're dark color, almost black, some of them. Here's one in here, a couple in here. There's one, that's the biggest one I see. I'll put it next to that quarter there. Get an idea of the size. Climax is really good, really sweet, even before they're very ripe, so you can get them a little early, so maybe the birds won't get them. One thing about Climax, they bloom first and they start ripening first a few days before premiere. And if you don't have a late freeze to get the blooms, they produce a lot of berries. And we didn't have a late freeze this year, so this thing really got a lot of berries on it. And Climax, I think I said it in my video from last year, but the plants are really bushy. They grow wider than they are tall. I'll step back here, and that's all Climax bush right there, like 6 or 7 feet wide or so, and it's only 5 or so foot tall. So really bushy growth habit, and it's putting up some plants over here from the roots, some suckering plants out from it. And there was another one here, and I didn't know it. I accidentally cut that off when I was kind of chopping the weeds around the plant, so I think it's going to grow back. But anyway, there's another little Climax plant there. Anyway, loaded up with berries this year. Looks like it's going to be a good blueberry season. Climax is the most vigorous plant that grows here. I don't know about the new ones yet, the Alapaha, Ocalochnee, Vernon, and the Kruger. They seem to be doing good, but they haven't been here long enough for me to tell how they grow year to year. Anyway, Climax Rabbiteye Blueberry 2019. Thank you very much for watching.